Alrighty, so now we're going to figure an annuity or sinking fund using the calculator. Again, this is basically a present value, future value approach to finding the annuity. But this time we're going to throw a few new items into this. So let's go ahead and clear out our calculators. So I have mine currently at 12 periods per year, and we're going to keep it as 12 periods per year. And you can see here that I have it in beginning mode. Again, how you change that from beginning to end mode is Shift MAR, which is below that is beginning and end. And you can see now that it doesn't show beginning, that means it's an end. When it doesn't show anything at all, that means it's an end mode. And that's what our calculators are defaulted to. But we're going to go ahead and add beginning. And the reason why is because we're going to add a payment at cash flow zero in essence. So even though you often don't until, say the end of the year, do a payment. In this case, we're going to start with year zero with a payment. So let's go ahead and shift this to beginning. And in this example, where we own a lawn mowing business, a landscape business, and we know that our lawnmower has about 2 years left. And in exactly 2 years, we are going to take this lawnmower, or we're gonna go buy a new one. And we know that at that time, the lawnmower is going to cost us $600. We don't want a cheap lawnmower. We want an industrial one that's going to last us a long time. So the other things we know about this question is that the interest rates are 1.78%. Now, a bank or a company is not going to tell you an interest rate is 1.78%. They just don't do that. They'll tell you in decimals. So what 7/8 converts to is 0.8715. So in essence, we have a loan at 1.875%. And we're doing this for 2 years. So at the end of 2 years, we are going to buy this lawnmower. So let's go ahead and start putting this into our calculator. Again, let's double check. We have 12 periods per year, which we're going to be putting in monthly into this sinking fund for every month for 2 years, and we're starting today, right now. So let's go ahead and do 2 shift N, that's 24. We're going to be doing this 24 times. Our interest is 1.7, sorry, let's go back. Let's clear, let's do 1.875, which is our interest. Our present value, what we currently have in there, is 0. And what we need to have at the end of these 2 years is $600. We're gonna hit present value. And then what we're solving for is how much do we need to put into this account every month for 2 years, starting today? And it equates to $24.52 if we round. So that's how we can use an annuity or sinking fund application on our financial calculators. Here I have 4 decimal places, but just round up in this case to the hundredths, so that's 52 cents.